Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Kylie from Barbie in a Mermaid Tale and Trust and Press without VIP. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial will help you to win the special mermaid round in Rest and Press. And first of all, you can choose this hairstyle, make it this color and combine it with this one. I choose no bangs and make it the same color. And then put on this mermaid tail. Make it this color, combine purple and pink color, and let's move to the next area. I'm going to go to the top area, it's here, and put on this top. Make it purple guys, the same purple color I have applied before, and then make it glitter. And the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, move to this changing room. And then I'm going to go to this petal update, put on this top and then make it purple. Okay, for the first selection and the second selection. And for the selection, you can choose this purple color. This is for the color code. Okay, and then we're going to make it glitter guys. Okay, just make it glitter like this. And then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt and choose to go for, and you're going to color it you're going to color it with this pink color for the first selection and also for the second selection, and then for the third selection make it purple and purple again. Alright, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, and then put on the skirt, make it skirt only, and for the color you're going to make it this purple color for the first selection and pink color for the second selection, and then purple for the third selection, and then make it glitter. Alright, okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.